Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying parts and immediate action. Identify the keyboard's LED pads or controller pins and confirm voltage, 3V or 5V, so you don't fry components. Once done, position the LED strip and mark VCC, GND, and data lines on both the keyboard PCB and the LED. Make sure to prepare a resistor or MOSFET if the LED draws more current than the keyboard can supply, and set up your soldering iron and multimeter for clean, reliable joints. Next, you wire carefully. Solder VCC and GND solidly, because power integrity matters for consistent LED behavior. Once those are solid, add the needed resistor or MOSFET to handle current, and use a level shifter when the LED data line expects a different logic voltage than the keyboard provides. Make sure the grounds are common between the keyboard and LED power source. Once connected, gently test continuity with a multimeter and keep signal traces short to prevent noise and flicker during operation. For final steps, you program or configure the keyboard controller so it outputs LED signals and then test at low brightness to validate wiring. After verification, insulate joints with heat shrink or epoxy, route and secure cables to prevent strain, and mount LEDs in their final position. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. Verify polarity and voltage at the LED pads, confirm a common ground. Check data signal presence with an oscilloscope or logic probe, and substitute a known good power source to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.